Meaning of disposable.
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 Disposable. The term disposable refers to items that are intended to be used once and then thrown away. These products are typically made from inexpensive materials and are designed to offer a convenient and temporary solution to a particular need. Examples of disposable items include paper plates, plastic utensils, and single-use razors. While these products may be convenient, they also contribute significantly to waste and environmental pollution. As such, many people are looking for ways to reduce their use of disposable products and find more sustainable alternatives.